Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn text animations on Filmora. So let's start putting a sample text on the timeline. And let's write something. And then go to animation, and there you have many different types of animations you can choose. This was for the intro of the text. You have also outro animations you can put on. Also you have loop category here. This is also text animation which changes the style of the text, like fire animation for example. Let's try how it looks together. Okay, now let's see with a text template to change it animation. For example, this one. Let's change the text. This is default animation of the template, so we will change it now. On the video tab here, you can change the animation of the video. Okay, now let's go to text animation and change it. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.